a star that is so big, do you think it could be accreting material without actually having any magnetic fields? And there is research that backs up that massive stars don't have magnetic fields, so you don't actually need them to be doing, what the star needs to be doing. And so there's a lot of checks and balances that need to happen at the same time. It's not just the graphs that I showed you. There's so much thinking about whether the science makes sense or not that goes into it, and this is where publishing papers really help, because then it goes to reviewers and it's not just biased by your thinking. There are people who are, providing you feedback saying, oh, have you thought about this aspect? Have you run this kind of models? What are your, thoughts about if you were to change this? So that actually challenges your thinking a lot. And this sometimes, it takes up to a year to actually, get back to those answers, questions to the reviewers with answers, and making sure that what you are presenting actually is solid. And so there's a lot of work that is behind just not looking at data and actually just thinking and that, truly of a scientist to think about what you're doing, if that is scientifically accurate.